I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe. What's come over me feels like I'm somebody else.
Hello everyone, Darth Vegan here, and this is my last day of revision. I don't know. Actually, someday I might just do a bit of extra. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, chemistry today. There's hydrogen, helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air, oxygen so you can breathe, and fluorine for your pretty teeth, neon to light up the signs, sodium for sodium times. I'll be looking at the Earth's atmosphere today. That's kind of the thing that my teacher said to look at, because simply we're not going to have time to cover this, since it's supposed to be a 2-year course or something. Fun. Yeah. Gonna have to remember all this somehow. Got me trusty energy. I think I'm still hungover from last night, you know. Those free drinks that I bought on that voucher. Yeah. Seeing the one that's just got some, I don't know. Right. Anyway. Oh boy, just right, shall I? Okie dokie, so I've read through what the Earth's atmosphere. I'll probably just do the atmospheric chemistry, read through that. I think after chemistry of the atmosphere, what's after that? Using resources. Maybe later, but yeah. This is basically climate science, isn't it? Right at the moment. Some nice practice questions that I got all right, including, well, except for number 4, main compound in limestone rocks. So remember that's from the bones of sea animals from long ago. So it's calcium carbonate. So I went with carbon dioxide for some reason. I literally said the Sabin symbol equation for photosynthesis, which is carbon dioxide and water to glucose and oxygen, 6 CO2 to 6 H2O to C6H12O6 plus 6 O2 that, the plant then puts back into the atmosphere. The oxygen, that is. Yeah. Really nerdy stuff. And it's kind of talked about how before billions of years ago, the dominant gas was CO2, and through volcanic activity and the evolution of organisms, it's just become nitrogen and oxygen as the main gases, and carbon dioxide makes 0.04% of the atmosphere. from being the dominant gas billions of years ago. I find that insane. It's probably on the rise a little bit at the moment, but yeah, it's a tiny amount really. If you think it was the dominant gas at the start of the Earth. This and the periodic table song. Well, I mean, I prefer the periodic table song to doing chemistry, but this kicks as well, I guess. Alright, so yeah, just read about the greenhouse gases and answered all the questions very nicely at the end there. Well, I kind of know about greenhouse gases anyway. So yeah. So I'll continue reading. Well, it's kind of lunchtime, but I'm also kind of not hungry at the same time. It's weird. Whatever. Whatever. So I've gone and answered all the practice questions related to that. The things I just read about. So yeah. Probably have lunch, I think. Pretty hungry, but I'll have it anyway. Sure, why not? So, I've had lunch now. Watched a few videos by ASAP Science on YouTube. You know, some educational stuff. Got to focus on the Haber process, which from the looks of things is nitrogen plus hydrogen equals ammonia, and then ammonia plus nitric acid equals ammonium nitrate, basically. But this is in the... Oh no, wait, what? Ah. My bad. That's actually the last page on here. Okay, I'll focus on Earth's resources. Talking about sustainable development, drinking water, wastewater treatment, that good stuff. Yes, and using resources before it was chemistry of the atmosphere. Okay. I just read that about the Earth's resources. Found out about phytomining and bioleaching. Phytomining is a way of that uses plants to absorb copper, and then bioleaching is where bacteria is used to extract metals from ore, which is a more environmentally friendly way of mining than traditional mining methods. It doesn't require you to kind of dig into rocks and have a lot of waste. So, now I'm gonna read about using resources. See what I've done reading about that. Alrighty then. Now I'll do the Haber process. Let's go. This is getting harder and harder as I just keep getting more and more tired. I'll try and answer the questions here. Where are they? But ultimately, I'm just like, I don't know if I will be able to, because I'm just so tired. I've had all of my Monster. I still feel rough. A few more questions left in there, but decided I'm gonna go out for dinner. So there's some veggie burgers, some chips, beans, peas. Yeah. I'll show you later what I put my answers as, but I'm just gonna have dinner. It's dinner time. I'm hungry. This thing didn't actually work. Not really. I mean, it's kind of temporary. Temporary boost, but then it just goes away. That's probably best if I have sugar-free instead, because sugar is known to crash you. And I think I heard from Dr. Mike that the sugar rush isn't real, but the sugar crash is. So it's basically like, yeah. But then at the same time, if you don't have the sugar there, then it's just going to keep you up at night. So it's a vicious cycle. So yeah. Anyway, I've been rambling. I just have dinner, finish my answers, and wind down. I'm so stressed after this week. You guys, I have a chip on my shoulder, right? I don't know anymore. Hey, I finished the questions. Practice questions. That's it. That's my week of revision done, I guess. Wow. It's been a journey, hasn't it? So, I guess this is it for until I have another period of revision, probably at Easter. But yeah. So, if you like this series as a whole, maybe think of subscribing. As always, thank you so much for watching and goodbye. Mother, sister, work and chaos, and my car is free. Find that art dirty. I don't see the fight between you and your friends. Anyone can kill you except your dog.